Hey y'all, today I'm going to be doing a Poshmark mystery box unboxing from Melissa the Cheap Chick here on YouTube. So Melissa the Cheap Chick here on YouTube does a ton of unboxing videos, a lot of hauls, very similar videos and content that I make, and I saw a few days ago that she made a video titled that she started her own Poshmark closet and she was selling mystery boxes. Y'all, before I even watched the video, I went over and clicked on the link in her description box and bought one of her boxes. So I'm super excited to share what she put in her box. She is a very new Poshmark seller. I think I'm one of her first purchases actually, and she actually sells at flea markets. So she's a little kind of a different reseller than I am. I'm more on eBay, Poshmark, more online, but I thought this would still be fun, and I did get a box in my size. Let me share what her listing said. I will also pop up a screenshot. That way you can kind of understand what I'm expecting from this box. So her title was Mystery Gently Used Clothing Box, size small, and it was just $15. So I mean, very easy to make a profit, I'm assuming. And it says, you will receive 10 gently used clothing items from my closet, plus a new Team Cheap Chick shirt in small. This item cannot be bundled and no refunds. So if anything, I can get one of her branded shirts. I have not opened it, so let me go ahead and do that on camera. If you have never watched any of my content, I just want to take a quick second to say, hey, my name is Alicia Murray. I make a ton of thrift haul videos, unboxings. I do a lot of mystery unboxings, mostly from ThredUp, and I also like to buy from other resellers and try to resell this stuff on my own websites. I'm gonna leave all my websites linked down below, but I greatly appreciate anyone who clicked on this video. I hope you subscribe. I do try to put out daily content. Let's open her up. All right. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. So I can tell you already, so I do buy not a ton on Poshmark, but I do buy on Poshmark frequently, I would say. And I'm always interested in how people package their items. I send out so many packages every day that I don't really take the time to make them pretty, but I do appreciate it. So it looks like she has a little envelope here. So let's see what's inside. I'm definitely gonna keep this from Melissa. I'll put this on my wall. Thanks so much. Oh, little stickers. We love fun stickers. She said, thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you enjoy your mystery box, Melissa. Perfect. As far as my expectations for the clothing in the box, I don't really have a lot. I buy a lot of mystery boxes, so I know you win some, you lose some. What sells great for some people may not sell well for others. As a clothing reseller, I know that. But this is my size, so hopefully if I can fit into something, it'll be a win. All right, let's unveil. Everything is folded up really neat. And you guys know my favorite color is orange. So let's go ahead and unroll this. This is a Wish t-shirt, a wish.com. And Melissa does, I'm pretty sure, a lot of Wish unboxings. Maybe this is something she got in one of hers, one of her boxes, or one of her hauls. All right, let's see, a black t-shirt. So this, oh, this is her shirt, Team Cheap Chick. Cool, cool, cool. Nice. All right, this is a pretty blue color. Let's see here. Okay, it looks like it's a hoodie. So this is a Target hoodie. It's by Mossimo. And I do sell this brand, and this is in a really pretty, like, baby blue color. So I only paid $15 for this box, and I probably can get around, maybe around 10-ish online for that one. This has a fun print. What is this? This brand is, this is Mud, and this is a size small. And it looks like this is a cute little mini dress. It kind of has like a leaf pattern, but it's like a purpley leaf pattern, has the spaghetti straps. cinching at the waist. This is something I would sell too, probably could get $10, so that pays for the box. Love the pink. This is just a solid pink Mossimo V-neck. I'll probably just keep that for myself. All right. This is a vintage Old Navy t-shirt. You know what I'm probably going to do? Probably all these solid t-shirts, I actually probably am going to lot them up and just like take a picture of them all folded on the ground and like remove the background, make it look nice, you know? And I could probably put those in a bundle and sell them really easily. I like to sell things in bundles. Ooh, this feels nice. What are you? Okay, I've never heard of this. Skylar and Jade, size small. And this is a blue and white tank or blouse. And it has like this crochet in the back. Yeah, so I've never heard of Skylar and Fade. I'll have to look this up to see if it's maybe worth something. But a cute shirt. Probably get a 10 for that one. This feels like pants. So you know on Poshmark you have a 5-pound limit. So I was definitely expecting a lot of lighter items. So to get pants is kind of, it's exciting. Okay, these are American Eagle. That's awesome. So these are a size 4 American Eagle, and these are in the skinny. And here's the American Eagle label. And this is like what I wore to high school. We had to wear like uniform pants. So just a pair of like khaki skinny pants. American Eagle sells pretty good. So if I price those right, I bet you I could sell those. So I definitely think I can make some profit on this, but you guys know I'm just a sucker for these mystery boxes. They're fun to open whether you make a big profit or not. Okay, this, it looks like it may be unbranded, but this is definitely something I'm gonna wear out tanning or out to the pool or something. I had to take a quick break because I just got another mystery box delivered. I bought two actually, only one's here. 2 sleepwear boxes from ThredUp. I'm really excited to open those. Okay, yeah, like I was saying, this is just a really fun tropical like little mini dress. I love whatever I don't know what the material is. There's no tags in here. It's probably just like polyester or something, but it feels really nice. Something you can wear during the hot weather. And we only have a couple things left. Ooh, are these shorts? I love to sell shorts. I'm about to list a ton of shorts on eBay and Poshmark today. I have a thrift haul of like 60 items sitting right next to me. And you guys are not going to believe it, but when I filmed the thrift haul, probably half of that will be listed. That never happens. Okay, Ann Taylor Loft. I have sold this many a time. Size 6, and these are just a pair of gray shorts. I get 15 to 20 for these, so I'm pretty sure these are going to sell very well. So yeah, I'm very confident I'll make my money back on this. All right, last thing in here, it's unbranded. It just has a size small tag. It says, "It's fine, I'm fine, everything is fine." There's that t-shirt right there. And that was my mystery box. Thanks, Melissa, for putting together some fun and affordable mystery boxes for your followers. I really enjoyed opening mine, and I will be listing all of this stuff in my Poshmark closet. So if you're watching and you're interested in anything, or if you want to see the other 1,000 items I have listed for sale, I'm going to leave my link down below. If you've never purchased on Poshmark, I also have my sign-up code. You can sign up with my code and get $10 off your purchase. So if you wanted to buy a mystery box, it would be very, very cheap. Thank you guys so much for watching my video all the way to the end. If you made it all the way to the end, leave this emoji in the comments. That way I can make sure to say hi to you. And I will see y'all tomorrow for a new fun video. Bye, y'all.